Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia XA2, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Auto Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. If you can't find it over here, select this pen next to gear at the bottom right corner. Then locate it below, hold it, and drag it up. You need to place it wherever you wish to. Click on the back button and finally click on it. In this pop-up to disable location, click on Close. So when I go back, as you can see, location of my SONY is off. If you wish to turn it back on, tap on the same no gray shortcut. You can also go into Settings, scroll down and tap on Lock Screen and Security. Then scroll down again, click on Location under Privacy, and tap on this switcher next to Use Location to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!